This is Jellyfin. It's a media server that lets you stream your own movies and TV shows to any device. You upload your content to a server and Jellyfin organizes it, fetches posters, descriptions, ratings, then you can watch from your phone, tablet, TV or browser. In this video, I will show you how to set it up on a Hostinger VPS using their one-click installer. So what exactly is a media server? If you have movies or TV shows on a hard drive somewhere, you can only watch them on that computer. A media server makes that content available over the internet. Jellyfin does a few things. First, it organizes your library. You point it at a folder of video files and it identifies what each movie or show is. It downloads the poster, the plot summary, cast information, and ratings. Second, it handles streaming. You can watch from anywhere, your living room TV, your phone, on the train, a browser at work. Third, it can transcode. Like if your TV doesn't support a certain video format, Jellyfin converts it on the fly. You might have heard of Plex. It does the same thing. Here is the difference. Plex is freemium. The basic server is free, but some features require a subscription. Jellyfin is fully open source. Every feature is free, no premium tier, no subscription, no account required. If you want everything unlocked without paying, Jellyfin is the way to go. For this tutorial, I am using a Hostinger VPS. There is an affiliate link in the description if you want to use the same setup. A few notes on the specifications. Their KVM 1 plan is 1 CPU, 4 gigs of RAM, handles Jellyfin fine for personal use, 1 or 2 simultaneous streams, no problem. But if you are transcoding a lot, meaning the server is converting video formats on the fly, you will want more CPU power. KVM 2 or higher would be better. The main thing to think about is storage. Movies are large. Our typical 1080p movie is 2 or 8 gigabytes. 4K can be 20 to 50 gigs, so you have to plan accordingly. Let's set it up. In my Hostinger panel, go to your VPS by clicking on this VPS and OS panel, operating system, and then from these tabs, click on application. Here, you just need to search Jellyfin. Click on that, change OS, and just confirm. It will wipe out the entire VPS to start from scratch, and let's generate a password and hit confirm. The installation takes a few minutes, so it's setting up Ubuntu with Jellyfin pre-configured. Once it is done, you will get a URL. Alright, Jellyfin has been installed. You just need to click on this button, manage app. Let's open that, and it has opened your VPS IP address on this port. Here, it presented a wizard. So you will see this for the first time you access it. Keep it as it is. Just click on the next, and I will give it the username admin. Password would be, now hit the next button, and here it is saying set up your media library. To enable the remote access, you have to select that, allow remote connections to this server. Click on the next. You are done. Finish, and let's log in once more. Hit the sign in. All right, you are in. This is your media server. Right now it's almost empty, and let's add some content. You need to get a video files on the server. So there are a few ways to do this. The simplest is the SFTP. So you can use an app like FileZilla or CyberDuck to connect to your VPS and upload the files. So upload your movies to a folder. Once files are on the server, you just need to go to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. You can control a lot of things from here as well. You can also create multiple users from this dashboard. Maybe you want to add a kids profile that only sees certain movies, or a guest account with limited access. Each user has their own watch history and preferences. Some things to keep in mind: that storage fills up very fast. A 50 gigabyte VPS holds maybe 10 to 20 movies depending on the quality. You can attach additional storage through Hostinger or upgrade to a larger plan. Transcoding uses CPU, so if you are getting buffering, check if transcoding is happening. Either get more CPU power or use video formats your devices can play direct. Backups are very important. If you are storing a large library, make sure your VPS is backed up. Hostinger has backup options built in. That's Jellyfin, your own media server running on your VPS. You just upload movies, stream them anywhere, no subscription, no limits on features. If you found this useful, I have other videos on self-hosting like Image for photos, WireGuard for VPN, Uptime Kuma for monitoring, links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.